Hey, snag 20 accounts using code Jdun. I appreciate you, bro. Your Apex is now 50% off. 90 is over, but it is still 50% off. I got some other good discounts for you too with Tradeify and the Funded Futures family. Tradeify, FFF. Let's go. All right, Team Bull. Let's make ourselves some moolah today, all right? All right. Choose discipline over dopamine, trade smart, and trade safe. All right, there we go. We're all the way locked in. We are all the way locked in. I gotta have Gene grab me a phone charger. Gotta have Mr. Gene grab me a phone charger. Well, I'm just gonna grab it. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna grab a phone charger. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Get some music playing while I'm gone too. Cause we all the way turned up. All right, let's get it, y'all. We're locked all the way in. Phone charger secured. I actually see something here too. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna plug this bad boy into the monitor. Let's get it done, baby! Time to make some money is here in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Game time starts. Hopefully, y'all are warmed up. Get your minds warmed up. You did something positive for yourself this morning. Stepped outside, did some meditation, did some reading, whatever it is. I want you guys warmed up and ready to manage risk. Ready to manage our risk together. Hope everyone did something nice and positive for themselves this morning. That can be meditation. That can be reading a book. That can be stepping outside, getting some morning sun, breathing for 5 minutes, whatever it is. As long as you got it done, be good to go. Sup, said dog. Miss you in Team Bull, man. If you guys have ever been in Team Bull, I miss you guys in there. It's still the best place to be, best place to live trade with me, but I like to put on these free live streams as well. There's a bit of a delay, 4 to 6 seconds, to show you guys value, to help you guys out as a community. And if you ever want to hang out with me in Team Bull, you are always welcome. You are always welcome. Got 20 seconds, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's get it. All right, let's get it, y'all. Market's open. Market is open. Market is open. Gap up on Tesla. 329 to 336. Going to get my option chain set up too in case we decide to take an options trade. I've been setting it up every day. Are we going to get something? Maybe. If we do get something, are we going to put on some size? Even more likely. Go back to the humble Honda 10K days on some options trading. To better listen. Nope, I will not message you first ever. Ever on TikTok or on Instagram or any platform. On YouTube, I can't message you on YouTube, but even if I could, I wouldn't. All right, guys, the screen share is active. Guys, even without screen share for the first 15 minutes, will be fine. We don't trade the first 15 minutes. Rarely, maybe once out of every 100 trading days we do. Well, I do. I don't know about y'all. Some of y'all can be a little bit degenerate. Some of y'all can get a little bit crazy out here, but I personally don't enjoy trading the first 15 minutes. It's not where my edge is. Oh, this baby knows game time. Yo, good morning, everybody. Hello, everyone hopping in Team Bull. Yes, Madeline, yes. Let's get it. Let's make some money today. If you like that, if you like that. On the way. All right. Gonna wait for our first 15, 20 minutes of action likely to be done. Let's see what we get. Don't. Let's mark out as well our London highs and lows. I still got to do that too. There we go. All right, London highs and lows are mapped out as well. Now we just got to wait. That's the toughest part about trading is just that one 4-letter word or 7-letter word sometimes. Waiting. Waiting is one of the toughest things you are going to do every single day as a trader. Not easy. Five minutes in. Let's see. Yep, SPY and QQQ have some divergence for sure. You know, right now I don't really have a bias. I don't really have a clear direction right now. What are you watching for, bro? QQQ, but we sold off some. The NQ bounced. That's what I have. It's going around pre-market low area. That's 23,300 there. All right. I'm with it. If it confirms. I'm with it. Do we have... My next question is... Do you have any orders there? Data. A few Fed speakers. Job openings at 10 a.m. Data in 23 minutes. As far as orders go, nothing too aggressive as of now. Nothing too aggressive as of now. All right, let's see. Where is Mr. Gene at today? Gene is running late again. I'm gonna have to give that boy a talking to. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone on TikTok and YouTube. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys coming in, hitting that subscribe, hitting that follow button. I do my absolute best every single day to help you guys learn, level up, and win. Keep your eyes peeled, too. I'm going to be dropping the link soon for our 3-day masterclass coming up in October. It's going to be the first week in October. Going to have a full free masterclass for you guys, 3 whole days. Discipline over dopamine, 3 days to consistent trading. So I hope I get to see each and every one of you guys there at the 3-day masterclass. If you guys have ever been to a Jdun webinar before, you know how Jdun webinars go. These free lives funded my way to buy my Team Bull membership. Thank you. Let's go, Adara. Yo. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. They didn't put ice in it? Oh, yeah, that'll burn you then, too, for sure. Thank you, man. Gene took one for the team. He got me coffee. So you found... Well, good news and bad news, everybody. Good news is Gene's here. Bad news is that he brought coffee over for me, and the lid came off and burned his hand. Does it hurt? Not anymore. What do you say, Grizzly? It's always getting hurt. Bro cannot stop getting hurt.
That's why I shouldn't Steve. After James brings the house.
Shit, no shit, bro. Literally. Mean Gene's a liability. Just don't hurt me, Gene. Please, I'm begging.
Recover.
All right, let's get to the money, everybody. Let's get to the money, everybody. It's been 10 minutes. Still no trades for me. Just waiting, trading smart, trading safe. And staying patient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No setups for me yet. The coffee is hot, huh? That's why I always tell them a little ice. Otherwise, it just comes out literally ready to burn you. I hate that. When coffee burns your tongue, that's no mames. Or hot cocoa. Yeah, we got jolts today in 20 or 19 minutes, too. YouTube is up. What are you talking about? There's a lot of people in there. It's like 500 people in here. You guys want ES on the screen too? Telling y'all, YouTube's the place to be. We're on TikTok and YouTube for free. And YouTube, you get full screen share. And it's honestly about the same delay. I think there may be another second or two. So if you guys are on TikTok, tap into the YouTube. It's Jdun Trades. Once we get a real 1,000 viewers at a time again, I'm going to do a giveaway. Last time I found out it was fake. Someone botted it for a second. Because the live showed me after. We're going to keep growing this the right way. And as long as we keep growing, whenever we have over 1,000 viewers, I'll be able to check in real time. I figured that out. We're going to keep giving away stuff for y'all. Date, time, location of the webinar. I'll have more information out soon. It's not till the beginning of October, so you have time. You have time, bro. Okay. Come on, market. Honestly, yesterday's best setup didn't come for me until... When was it? Was that like an hour in or something? What was that? That was like 8. That was like 9. 9 my time. 11 Eastern time. It's like 11 Eastern time. My best setup didn't come for a minute. That's how it usually goes, honestly. I don't mind waiting for 30 minutes, an hour, hour and a half. That's some of y'all's biggest downfalls. You can't stay patient. If you can't stay patient as a trader, you're never going to make consistent money. That's why I know I sound funny sometimes when I scream discipline over dopamine at you. I say, guys, discipline over dopamine, come on. But there is a reason behind it. You have to be able to choose that discipline to stay patient, to wait, to stay focused. and not let that need for dopamine, that urge to trade, that urge to feel something kick in. So just stay disciplined over dopamine and good things will happen. Hey, welcome, Cindy. Welcome, everyone who's new here. Appreciate all y'all hitting that follow button. We do this every single day, Monday through Friday. We are one of the fastest growing streams in the world. I do my absolute best every single day to help you guys learn, level up, and win. I appreciate you guys subscribing on YouTube, following on TikTok, and of course, if you're in Team Bowl, then you know I love you. Mr. Greg is busy with work. He works full time. He's an oil man. Yep, our range is in. Do you guys want just NQ on the screen, or do you guys want ES too? We should start a poll.
NQ is always the thing.
Start a poll. NQ, both. Fine, we'll put ES on the screen too. She felt left out. Sorry, ES. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I'm sorry. There. We got ES on the screen now too. She gets a little jealous. Just have some patience with her. She gets a little jealous. NQ gets to move faster. Everyone pays more attention to her. Give ES a break, all right? She's just trying to do her best. I don't want to see anyone being mean to ES, otherwise we're going to have problems. We are fair and inclusive to all different types of stocks and indices here. So be nice. Yeah, is that funny, Gene? Except for Boeing. No, we're we don't like Boeing very much. Put it that way. Boeing is not welcome in this household. We have equal opportunity for everyone except for Boeing and potentially AMD. AMD is not quite not quite in the level Boeing is, but it's close. Guys, just so you're aware too, the hat is forward, so we should be good today. We started with the hat backwards yesterday, and I got stopped out by 5 points. And then we put it forwards. We went dad mode, glasses on, of course, and we caught a banger. I've only had one red day since I started wearing the glasses. On that win streak, I ended up having a red day, but only had one in the last 3 weeks. One red day. AMD Advanced Money Destroyer. That's correct. What do you like this morning, Gene? You see any setups you like? We have jolts in 12 minutes too. Job openings. So we do have some data coming up. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Orb on SPY. We'll see. see where we end up closing this. I don't love that we're wicking up so heavily. NQ, definitely no orb unless we get some aggressive flush in the next 15 seconds, but we're going to be right in the middle on NQ. Looks like we're going to close above on ES too. We want candle closures. We don't want to get caught in a false breakout. Interesting. We got some decent divergence today with NQ and ES. I see Greg really likes the longs that I've been for. This PA is trash, bro. We're 20 minutes in. We got data coming up. We got data coming up. I don't give up on the orb. No, I was just saying for right now, I'm not interested until we see a 5-minute closure. I'm not interested in it. I'm going to tag a new, well, not new, but not Apex today in the pinned comment on YouTube. If you guys want to get straight to funded or get some pretty competitive evals, I recommend you checking out Tradeify too. You can use code Jdun for the best possible discount, code JDUN. They have straight to funded. They're honestly the best for straight to funded. FFF is second in my opinion. And they have a lot of good stuff going on at Tradeify. So if you guys want to get straight to funded with Tradeify, make sure you guys use code Jdun. I will do my absolute best to help you guys pass, get funded, and get paid out. Top Step's fine. They're fine. Is the stress that gonna be in a Gucci in the trap? See anything you like, Gene?
Nope.
No or no mames?
No, man. I like longs, the previous 5-minute close, but I hesitated.
Maybe watch for a pullback now. Greg did catch a banger. Greg caught a banger. What? Yeah, we got data in 7 minutes. I'll likely wait till after that. Sometimes Jolts can pack a punch. Don't get it twisted. Sometimes Jolts can give you a heater for a trade. Not always, but sometimes. Don't sleep on it. So we'll see. Got 7 minutes. It's a good time if you're itching for a trade. Just take a deep breath. Stay patient, guys. It'll be okay. You'll live to wait for a nice setup. You will live to wait for a nice setup. It's okay. Gene, you sore from that workout? Your chest? Yeah, you did. I'm sore today. I love being sore. It feels so good. Gene's getting stronger. What are your stats, Gene? How much you're down? Like what? 5% body fat? Yep, Gene's down 15 pounds in weight and 5% body fat since we started working out. Tell me that's not cool. Bro's looking good. And your stamina's up. Yep, that's the most important part. Your endurance is doing well. And now we're on Hawaii hard. So we leave for Hawaii in 3 weeks. Gene's coming with. I didn't tell you guys that. Yeah, Gene's coming to Hawaii for the wedding. I need to figure out what I'm going to use for a computer there, Gene. I think I shoot one of those Macs like you have.
Yeah.
Can it handle like all the software?
So I wouldn't recommend a Mac if you want it. Or like what software? Like streaming software?
Yeah, just like all the stuff I use here.
What we should go do today is go to Micro Center and go look at the gaming PCs for you.
To bring to Hawaii?
Yeah, they're portable like laptops.
Oh, they have portable ones?
Yeah, they're gaming PCs though, like with crazy RAM and
oh yeah.
They're built for, gaming.
Ah.
Lagging. So.
Damn, that's cool. No, Danny's not going to be attending Hawaii, bro. But I hope he's doing well.
Neither Brandon either.
Brandon's not either. Damn, look at that reject. That was nasty. Not that I had any part in it, but nasty reject. All right. If we didn't have data in 4 minutes, I'd say, honestly, I'm starting to, if we can keep this candle low, I'm starting to like the shorts. I'm not taking anything. Don't worry. Gene is certifiably him. I'm not sure if I'm going to wake up to 3:30 at 3:30 to trade. I might a few days. But I mean, like, I'm getting married there, so like all my friends are coming up. My friends and family are coming out there, so I'm probably just like going to be hanging with the fam most part. I might get on for a day or two. I'll tell you right now that Monday in Hawaii, I will not be trading. I'm not messing up the start of the Hawaii trip with a red Monday. Maybe on Tuesday. No, I probably honestly won't end up trading very much. Definitely not the last few days of the week. Stream it. You guys won't be mad at me if I leave for a week? Grizzly, will you take care of everybody? Big Zoe, you got to make sure the chat trades the orb correctly. I don't want to see any tilt trading, any break in the system. Oh, yeah, you guys all have Brandon in charge. Good luck. Hopefully the BSI. I come in every day and say DOD. That's in 3 weeks, so it's the 20th through the 28th. I'll be out of commission. Well, partially. That Saturday through the next Sunday. We have Jolts in 2 minutes, everybody. Just a reminder, we have data in 2 minutes. Dos minutos. Yo, Am Trader made 15K today. Am out. What? Team Bowl meetup in Hawaii? That'd be hard. It just kind of worked out like that, Invincible. It honestly just kind of worked out like that. There was really no sentimental meaning behind September. It just kind of worked out. And I love Hawaii. I love the Big Island. Yeah, we have news in 45 seconds, everybody, on a trading note. Make sure you guys have set stops in or you're out of your trades. Hard stops or just out completely if you guys are in anything. Even if you have a hard stop, if you get an aggressive move up or down, you can experience some slippage, but it's better than not having a stop at all. better than not having to stop at all. Nice, Steve. Kawhi. Yeah, I've heard Kawhi's the GOAT. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Data. Not a lot so far. Kind of been, well, I don't want to speak too soon. The orb is technically valid on ES, on SPY, not so much on NQ yet.
Jdun, I was asked if you swim in your jean shorts.
If I swim in my jorts?
Yeah.
I love my jorts. I just ordered a few more pairs of jorts too. I ordered it from Kiltech, TJR's TJR's brand. I just ordered a bunch of stuff. I spent like $1,500 yesterday. Had to support the homie. Ordered all the jorts, bro. I ordered all the jorts. I got a few more pairs of jorts coming. Got the friends and family launch on Kiltech through TJR, and I spent like $1,500 with them. I like those type of clothes. I like streetwear though. I've always been into that. Oh, he knew exactly what audience he was pushing to when he released those jorts. He knew Jdun was on him. He knew. TJR hooked me up with the friends and family launch. I'm not taking the orb on ES right now. Too much divergence between NQ and ES. I'm just staying patient, guys. Yup, those are fire. Oh, those are fire, bro. I'd rock those any day of the week. I would rock those 10 out of 10 days on any given sequence of days. I would absolutely rock those. Fire. Yes, we're bringing jorts back. You know how much crap I took when I posted those on social media? I had y'all's best interest at heart wearing the jorts. I wanted to bring them back for everybody. Copy trading. Yes. Stay patient, guys. We're back in the middle of this range. Haven't had any real trend yet. If we stay like this is what I would define as chop. If we can get some sort of trend above these highs, I'll look for a retest back down and then a continuation to the upside. So that's what I'm going to look for at this moment. Just staying super patient. Oh, crap. Whoops. Ooh, we might get a good setup to try some longs on a pullback. $30 seconds till the close. What's the low here? 370. Pull back to like 400. I'm willing, like for this area here on Screen Strike, 410 area, if we can get the close above here. Come on, buyers. Act like you want it, buyers. Act like you've been here before. Come on. Unreal. Wow, right below. I'll still watch for a pullback for longs. If we get a pullback, if things look all right in the 1 minute and the 5 minute, I'm open to trying the longs on a pullback. I am disappointed in our buyers, though. I thought they had more in them. I thought our buyers had more in them. Thought they had a little more pep in their step. Not really. All the back testing I was doing and all the data I was looking at, it wasn't profitable enough for me. I switched back to the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and my win rate went up, as I'm sure you guys can tell, and I've been really gassed up on all cylinders. So I'm open to a pullback down here for longs. Pull back into this zone is what I'd like to see for the longs. As a reminder, guys, choose discipline over dopamine today. I appreciate y'all being here on the stream. Every single day, I want to see you guys trade safe, trade smart, and to stay patient. A lot of our stream is just waiting. If you guys have trouble with patience, if you have trouble with discipline, this is the best place you can be. Because Jdun's going to make sure every day that you stay patient and you stay disciplined. I also appreciate you guys. If you are trading with prop firms using code Jdun, it means the world to me. You'll get the best possible discount, and you'll always get payout protection. If there's any problems with your payout, I'm going straight to upper management and saying, hey, we got a problem. As long as you follow the rules, I'll fight for your payout. Not much I can do if you don't follow the rules, but when you use code Jdun, they're going to know where you came from. Yeah, I'm excited to get my kill tech. I bought like $1,500 worth. I bought a lot. What's up, Grizzly Glock?
Joey, people in chat asked if someone could speak on Zoom real quick. Projecting pre-market high in London.
I was really hoping we get that pullback down to this 50% retracement. Not sure it's going to give it to us. Doesn't look like it wants to give it to us. Nope. Apex is 1 day pass. Right now it's 50% off. Awesome, Gabe. That's amazing. I'm glad the stream's been helping, bro. I appreciate you guys coming every single day. I show up every single day on time for you guys. All I ask is if you get some value from the streams, you guys show up too. If you guys are on the TikTok, as a reminder, I'm live on YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. You get full screen share and a full face of me saying, hey, follow your plan, baby. On YouTube. Hopefully we can get a pullback down to this 50% retracement. That's what I'm looking for. Tesla's looking decently promising too. Tesla's looking decently promising. If we can hold the structure in a nice little higher low pullback. Greg caught a banger in the admin trading floor. 2 green, 1 red. And right back into the 15-minute range. That is just lovely. That's just lovely. Right back into our range. You know, the sellers were a bit weak on this previous candle. I still need to see a deeper pullback. If I'm going to try longs, I still like to see a deeper pullback into this zone. We made a fair value gap here, which is good on higher volume. My main watch right now is we'll see if we can pull back into here towards the bottom of this zone. The only problem is if you're going to have your risk below trend setting candle, you have about 40 points of risk. So we'll have to go with a little lower size. Have to go with a little lower size. Which is fine. We can do that. It's all right. But we're just going to have to stay patient. I'm curious, for all you guys that are trading with me, what do you guys trade? Do you guys trade funded accounts or do you trade your own cash? I'm just curious. Cash or prop firm? Cash, live, cash. Nice. There's actually a lot of cash. That's good. Cash, top step, cash, prop, funded cash. Okay. You know, I always say that I'm okay with you guys using prop firms. Obviously, I tell you guys I have code check. Hold on, timeout. The whole point I was getting at is I want you guys trading cash in the end. Cash accounts are the king. I want you guys building your own capital. All right, let's see what we get down in this area. I'm watching carefully. Watching carefully. Watching carefully, guys. No entries yet. No entries. No entries. Just waiting. I will not be chopped up in this 15-minute range. If we get a higher volume 5-minute close down here, I'm open to looking for retest back up to this zone, this inversion, and then taking shorts to the downside. Just have to see a little more confirmation. I won't get whipsawed back and forth in this 15-minute range. I've seen it happen too many times. If I lose a trade, it's going to be on an A+ setup. Which, as a reminder, just because a trade loses doesn't mean it wasn't A+. I like to remind people of that once in a while, that just because a trade loses doesn't mean it was bad. It's only bad when you mismanage your risk. It's only bad when you force it. You can take the best setup 100 times, it's still going to lose, 30, 40% of the time. Just name of the game, you could take the perfect shot of the perfect form, shooting a ball, you're still going to miss some shots. Maybe not if you're Jdun. You got that wetter on the jumper, but besides that. Your boy's nice on the court. Don't get it twisted. Your boy's got an absolute An absolute heater for a jump shot.
Good long range or down low?
I always said I got double D's, dunks and defense. But I used to have a really nice mid-range shot. I didn't shoot a whole lot of threes, but I had a wetter back in the day. What's the high here? 453. I'm gonna watch for a pullback into this area right here. It's a little higher risk, but I'm gonna look for a pull up, I should say, into the zone for this inversion. This failure to go higher, and then a shorts entry with stops above like 452. That's what I'm gonna look for if we get that pop up. I don't love anything in this 15-minute range, but I don't hate the setup. I don't hate it. Let you guys know if and when I enter. Come on, go a bit higher. Go a bit higher. I want to see a failure of this area, this range, so we can get a bit closer to having better risk management if I take the trade, having less risk on the table. I'm going to let you guys know if I end up pressing buy or sell. What do you think, Grizzly? You like anything?
Not crazy with anything, but right now, shorts are looking better too.
I thought you were going to say you like the longs. I thought you were going to say, well, not to break your heart, but I like the longs.
Just looking at pass action, but we're still right in the middle of this 15-minute range.
I know, I don't love that part. Got me not knowing how to act. Staying patient, guys. Just waiting. A little more.
You're talking about playing basketball. We used to have some mean basketball games growing up. Like everyone in the area would come play. Them old men were so dirty. Throw elbows and everything. Used to play at our local school. We had a key to the gym.
No, hey, they're holding 400, that whole psych number too. Still not in, guys. Don't. Still not in. Let's see how we react in this candle. I'm still not in. I'm still not in anything. Still not in.
A lot of yesterday, what we're doing here.
This is going to invalidate the setup. Going to invalidate the setup if it holds here. It's not completely invalidated until we close this candle, but it may invalidate it if we keep the strong close here. So no entries, guys. Staying patient. And we're failing this bearish setup now too. Tell you, this is the price action in the 15-minute range that prop firms love. They just eat traders alive with these candles up and down. These are the days that their sales go flying. Not in Team Bull, though. I want you guys to choose discipline over dopamine. What? Not crazy. There's not a whole lot of action going on. Not a whole lot of action going on, bro. Yeah, this setup's going to get invalidated, guys, so no dice. That's why you wait for the candle closures and for the A+ setup to come. We got the, and like here, we got the close above the 15-minute high here, but what the heck is this volume on this candle? This is horrible. If you're on screen share, look at this. Large 5-minute candle with pathetic volume. I mean, it's not, I'm not completely opposed to upside if we can get a little more confirmation, but that's not what I want to see. I'm okay with not catching this upside right here for a few reasons. It's too far down with the risk here, and also this volume sucks. I'll wait for a better setup as we trend up. If we keep trending up, I'll find a better higher low. Gene, you want to come say hi to everybody? Sure. Want to come say hi? I got to use the restroom. Come say hi. Be nice to Gene. Go! Go!
Hello. What's up, guys?
Is everyone being nice?
We're just chilling. Yeah, they're being good.
What is this price action so far, bro?
I don't know. What's this?
Nuggets
Nuggets app?
It's the rainbow one, your favorite.
No. No mames.
Colorful
Jeez, what'd you do to it?
What?
Why is it so flat?
It's a flat bill.
No, you got. I bend mine.
Do you?
All my hats.
You do?
Yeah. So better when they look like that.
Think so?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this you?
That's me, yep.
Oh, it's just like right.
This price action must be how my wife feels with her mood swings. My bias changes every 5 minutes. Right? Literally, I'm like, all right, guys, I'm about to go long. All right, guys, I'm about to go short. All right, guys, I'm about to go long. All right, guys, I'm about to go short. Like, I just can't get a read on this. Jdun, time to wear a diaper. Stop leaving. Y'all want to send me some diapers? I'm not buying them. Mr. Gene Ben's flat bills. Yeah, a little sketch, huh? Canal full port. It's a weird day, right, Cap Award? It is. You better be careful before she stop losses you. Yep. 3 weeks till I'm tying the knot, guys. 3 weeks till I'm getting married in Hawaii. So I probably won't be as active. I've been giving you guys heads up. The week of the 21st to the 28th, I won't be hardly streaming at all. I'll be in Hawaii for my wedding. So I'm sorry. We'll have to leave each other for a week. I might stream a day or two, but I'm having all my friends and family come out to Hawaii. We haven't done this. We haven't had a vacation in over 2 years, and getting all my friends and family out there. It's gonna be dope. All out in the island. Thanks, everybody. So I'll be gone for a week, but after that, we'll be back in action. Is it normal in the U.S. to have babies before you marry your partner? I mean, kinda, I guess. I did. I didn't really plan on having a baby, though. I just... It's funny, whenever people ask me about having babies before or after marriage, I'm like, we didn't really plan on having a baby. It just kind of happened. It just kind of happened. It's funny, we were going to go for on a ski lesson, and she woke up really sick in the morning. So she's like, "Oh, I'm not gonna go." I said, "Okay." And we get back to the house that night and we're watching a movie. She's like, "I'm gonna order a pregnancy test." I'm like, "Oh, you're crazy." But whatever, do it, I guess. So she goes upstairs and comes back down, turns on the light. No words, just turns on the light. I said, "Oh shit, why is the light on?" And she just walks up to me with the test, and I'm like, "No way." We literally go by like 5 more tests, all positive. I was like, "Well, guess I'm gonna be a freaking dad." Yep, just light on, no words. Yeah, that was wild. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have some more. We're gonna be having some more.
Enough baby talk. You're triggering my child support PTSD.
Bro said child support PTSD. That's crazy. Sorry, guys. Pull out games week. No mames.
Plus, you're gonna give all the girls in your baby fever.
Yeah, sorry, guys. Giving everyone baby fever. Everyone's getting baby fever. Yeah, I think we want a girl next. Obviously, we're not gonna choose, but I think girls gonna come next, and then team of boys. I'd be fine with having 3 or 4 boys, but she really wants a girl, so hopefully we get a girl for her. I want a basketball team. We're not getting any volume confirmation on these trades. Like, yeah, we're trending up and we got this close above, this retest down. Like, that's fine. This volume sucks. And I've been very transparent about the fact that I don't trade slow grind up on low volume days. Have kids equals lose life. Honestly, bro, I could not disagree with that statement more. I think, and I have a very controversial opinion on this, but like, why get wealthy if you don't have a family to share it with? You know? And that doesn't mean like some people can't have kids, and that's not directed towards them. Like, that's not their fault. But if you just like want to get rich and never have kids, like, why, bro? What a lonely life. Why?
What is up with this price section this morning?
Think about when you're old, like 60 or 70, and you're loaded. Like, that car's not gonna be fun no more. Something I always tell young cats, the 18, 19, 20-year-olds, like, oh, I don't know if I want to have kids. I'm like, bro, have kids. Make sure you're in the right spot to have them. Obviously, there's a right spot for everybody. I can't tell you when that is, but you know, why would you not want to have a beautiful family? And you can disagree. That's fine. Totally. I don't. Did you choose dopamine over discipline that night? Yeah, bro. As a matter of fact, we did. I absolutely chose dopamine over discipline. They have 9 kids. That is what's up. And we have London High and 15-minute High so close together. Grab a square. I have 1 more hour, guys. I got to get off at 11:30 Eastern time. So we have 1 hour to find another setup. Made 3 racks yesterday. Real money. If I could just catch nice 20, 30 points, I'll be satisfied.
I don't know if I'm behind this move up.
I'm not either, bro. This volume is sketching me out.
I think we're getting that reversal candle here. May consider short.
I'm not behind it either. As of now, we might slow trend up on low volume, but I'm not going to be participating in that. If we get a nice reversal candle, I'll join the shorts. If we get some nice volume coming into the upside, I'll look for a higher low. We have 20 seconds till this closes. If we get this weak close here, what's the high on this candle? 472. We're at 4.4. I know.
It's dirty.
472.
That volume looks better. Not the best, but better.
Testing a piece of shorts, guys. Small piece. 30 points of risk.
I'm gonna join you. I like it.
30 points of risk. If you want a better entry, you can wait till like 50 or so. You have about 20 points there.
I'm not in yet. I suppose a little closer pre-market high.
I did try a small piece. This is a setup where we had the volume confirmation. Our upside volume sucks. Downside volume looked solid there. This is the better area. Tried a few more contracts here. If we get the move up to 72, I'll stop out for a loss. Stop out for a loss if we get up to 72. I'll be caught in the false breakout to the downside, and I will take my loss to the chin. This is the better entry area, though. You only have about 10, 15 points of risk. If it does the same thing to me that it did yesterday, I'm going to be so salty. Had the higher volume here, close below the 15-minute low, the retest back up. My hard stops are at 72.50 or 73. There we go. 73. I will be stopped out for a loss. Give back about a 30 yesterday's profits.
I was gonna try it with you, but it just blew right through there pre-market highs.
My hard stops are at 73. Honestly, I'll just straight up we'll get stopped out here if we go above this previous candle high. But this is a setup I would take for a reversal 10 out of 10 times. 10 out of 10 times when we have that 15-minute low reversal, we have the lower volume heading up. We have the aggressive candlestick to the downside. A lot of times you'll see that continuation happen, at least down to like the 50% retracement. Hard stops are in at 73. If we hit 73, I will be stopped out for a loss, which is looking very probable at this point. We're about 4 points away on life support. And at this point, guys, I'm going to have to wait for a really, really high probability setup if it stops me out here. So I don't like the upside volume, and I, at this point, have been fooled on that downside move. So if we go above high day, I'm out for a loss. Hard stops are set. Even if we get some aggressive move with a little slippage, I will still get stopped out, which is looking like it's going to happen. I'm following my plan and holding it till my hard stop. But it's not looking great at the moment. We're not looking great, guys. Gonna have a repeat yesterday, lose the first trade. Come with a banger on the second. This 1 minute's looking like it wants to take out this high too. So 3 points away. Sorry, fellas. The setup looks good. Just couldn't. All right, guys, I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I swear if it sweeps me there and goes down, I'm going to be so salty. Hi, Riker. No toys today. Bro, if we end up sweeping that high and then moving down like yesterday, I'm going to be so salty. No toys today, Riker. No toys today, buddy. If it does the same thing as yesterday, I'm going to be so salty, bro. Literally, it went like 5 points yesterday. Swept. We ended up catching a banger, but honestly, that don't make no sense. I mean, you look at a 5 minute candle like that with that failure to go higher with those 2 weak volume candles to the upside. This don't make no sense. Hello. Hi, Riker. We're eating ramen noodles today. No. It's all right. 0 for 1 on the.
I stay a trader, everyone. Your full back, I'm trying on. I got some confirmation I was looking for. Ideal average is around the 450 area.
You're looking for a pullback to 450?
458 to around that pre-market high. Actually.
Doesn't look bad.
Yeah, thought that would be
It's-
430, 430 in that area.
I just hate this volume to the upside. It doesn't make any sense. That didn't give me any profit on that trade. Literally just went against me right away. That don't happen too often. Typically, I'll get at least like 5-10 points on my losing trades. There, nope, just immediate reversal. I mean, kept risk managed, which is good. That's what I care about most. So I think about it like this. I could take the setup 20 times, and of those 20 times, it's going to work 10 to 12 of them, right? 8 to 14 of them, even have a wider range. If I can have solid, 2.5, 3R and the 8 that work, I could still be profitable losing 12 trades. But it's all right. Stop hit on that. 0 for 1 on the day. Starting off, Little Red Riding Hood. I was about to say Little Red Robin Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. Still moving on up. Well, it looks like we managed our risk correctly. That's good. That always makes me happy, at least when I cut a trade that is just wrong and keeps going in that direction. It's like, all right, well, we saved ourselves 10 points of risk. Because in my earlier days as a trader, I would have just kept holding, and then stopped out for another 10 points or 15 points or 20 points. And that's where things get really tricky. Oh my gosh, Tesla is nuking. Damn, I missed the really good setup on that pullback in Tesla at 330. Bye. Yeah, moving your stop loss is the kiss of death. That's something I try very hard. Damn, Tesla had some really good setups today. Damn. That setup we were talking about earlier with that pullback, we were saying that right here. We ended up pulling back literally perfectly into this area here. That stops below here and rode that to high a day. And then the 15-minute orb played out as well. Had the rising volume here. Solid confirmation. Now we're moving on up here. Damn. Missed 2 good setups there. Missed 2 good setups there. Don't. Yeah, I seen Top Step brought out back to funded, I think. Funded account resets. You see that, Gene?
Yeah, I got you now.
Take profit has that. So you can reset your funding account.
They want 500.
But honestly, the cost is
Expensive.
expensive. A
It's actually not bad for Top Step. $500 reactivation fee for the 50K, $600 for the 100K, $730 for the 150K. No, but you can only reactivate any XFA that hasn't taken a payout. So if you've taken a payout, you can't reactivate it. Still moving on up. No real pullback entry to the long side yet. Yep, straight to funded is back on Top Step, 500. Dun. I don't think so either, man. I'm glad that I had my wrist settings right. That just straight got me. Literally rejection of London high, failure above 15-minute high, just nope. False breakout, or false breakdown, I should say. False breakdown, I should say. Don't. Is what it is, guys. 0 for 1 on the day. Today was a no mames day for me. And honestly, though, I would take that trade 100 times. 100 times over, I would take that. Literally fit every criteria. I mean, literally every single criteria. Just didn't work out today. Now we'll wait to see if we can get a nice pullback for a longs entry. No shorts for me until we break. We'd have to break this whole structure to the downside. See if we can find ourselves a long entry. Whoa. Oh, let's see. My phone's charging down here. I gotta grab it. Holy macaroni. Damn, Grizzly, they're really not going to give us that pullback, huh?
No, this previous day has it last year. It's just back up.
I'm not shorting anything until we get a solid confirmation. You know what? Looking through these higher time frame charts, you know what doesn't look bad for more upside this week is Tesla. We had a reversal doji yesterday. We're having an aggressive green candle today. It looks like we want to continue up. Test like 355-ish. Does not look bad for continuation throughout the week. Don't. All right, let's see. We got a 5-minute aggressive candle. Let's see if we can get a pullback now. A higher low for longs. I'm not looking for any sort of reversal. I'm not looking for any reversal unless we get solid confirmation. We get solid confirmation, I'm down. Don't. See anything you like, Grizzly Glock?
Still looking for her pullback entry, but previous day high would be hard to break today. We'll see.
So where's our 50% retracement for the day? It's still a ways down. It's down near like 450. Let's see. Today got me. Today got me on that reversal candle there. How you guys doing in Team Bull? You guys staying alive? You guys staying alive, choosing discipline? Still looks like we want to move up. Got that retest of 500 here on the 1-minute chart. No solid retest back down on the 5, but got a quick retest on the 1 down to 496 and a face ripper.
How are we feeling about this buy-in, though?
I haven't liked it all day, but I tried that once and I was wrong. So I'm only looking at longs right now, guys. I have no interest in shorts it'd take quite a bit. We'd have to fail this 430 area and move back down into this 15-minute range. I have no interest in shorts until we break structure to the downside. None. Come on. Got about 40 more minutes. Don't. Still moving up, man, with no real pullback. I mean, arguably you could look for a pullback into like 510-ish with stops below 496, but I don't love it. Just join me live every single day. I'm 0 for 1 today, but typically my 0 for 1 or 0 for 2 days don't happen. They do happen, though, so we'll see. Day's not over yet. We lost the battle, but we will not lose the war. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, make sure you guys tap and hit that subscribe button if you are on YouTube, and follow in the top left corner if you're on TikTok. I trade live every day. Win, lose, or draw, I'm walking you through what I'm seeing and staying transparent and disciplined with y'all. Sorry I couldn't win my first trade for y'all, everybody. I'm sorry. Sorry. Do I think we're going to keep going up? Right now, it's looking like it. Am I going to try to time the top and try to or buy the top? Absolutely not. I wait for solid pullbacks and good high probability entries. I will try to do better on my next trade or tomorrow. Don't, no. Looks like that's what we're going to get. Maybe just until we see some aggressive move, just slight pullbacks and then slow moves up. Slight pullback, slow move up. Slight pullback, slow move up.
Low volume grind up today.
That is weak volume. I said that from the start too. I don't trade well when we have low volume pushes up. It's my worst type of day. Which is fine because we recognize that. Recognize it, and we are not going to do anything dumb. All right, we're going to a little pull back now. Let's see what we can get. $96 to $45. See if we hold this 500. Still not sold on this volume. Still not sold on it. We may be making 500 our new baseline, so we'll see.
Maybe a no trade day for me.
Q. Watching for a long century, I don't know. I don't love it. Trying to be very cautious on my next trade. Not a super deep pullback. The 1 minute looks all right. You know, you could technically looking for longs, try them with stops below like 498, but doesn't really give you much wiggle room. Don't. I have a hard time shorting this without losing 500. If you're going to go long, your stops almost certainly have to be below like 498, 496. Longs are tempting. Yeah, sorry, guys. People expect 100% win rate. I'm so sorry. How could I? What's up, Mr. Gene? I'm supposed to have a 100% win rate, I'm finding out.
Wow. That's interesting.
If you don't have a 100% win rate, you are indeed a scam. How could you not be perfect? How dare you?
People call everything a scam. Car salesman,
Scam.
realtors,
I'm double scam if I take another trade and I lose it.
data and cosmetic a scam.
I know. I'm just taking L's left and right. Gremlins, huh? Don't. Longs do look tempting here. If you're going to try longs, you got to keep your stops below like 496. I'm not in longs, so let me preface by saying that. They do look tempting. but I am not in. Maybe a little more flag and then try some. Don't know. I'm not in any trades, everybody. Just saying that right meow. Waiting for an A+ setup. Do I think the longs look decent on this pullback? Yes, but am I in them? Absolutely not. I am not. Got to maintain my 100% win rate, guys. So this next trade's got to be really good. Otherwise, I face the fact that I'm just the worst trader.
Brandon says so 800 gets contacts one short.
Brandon short.
He said short 800.
I honestly like the longs.
Move the market.
I hope he's right. He has a position. I don't.
What's he trading? What's he short?
Yes.
Probably ES or NQ.
Wow, that's interesting. We're at a pre-market high. Reach this. What's these something above?
I don't see a lot in Bookmap.
What time did you catch that big trade yesterday?
Like not or like 11 Eastern on that retest. What's the 480? It's high risk because I'm trying a small piece of longs here.
AQ?
Yep. It's only has 15 points of risk. So if I lose, hold on. Whoops. Okay, I'm just getting filled. There we go. I just tried it now. 505 with my stops below 4 at 494. So you have 10 to 15 points of risk. If I lose this, then it'll be smaller. So it's fine. I'll be over to, I'll almost certainly be done, but it'll be smaller. So risk reward is worth it for me. We'll see what we get. Hopefully we can get some continuation out of this.
If we get a previous day, how high on this?
I hope so. We're getting the move up now, so I mean, at least we have the right-ish idea. We only have about 05 down to 95, about 10 points of risk. Anytime I can have a 10-point risk trade with hard stop set, like it doesn't really entail too much risk. So if we can just get a move above the 16, we'll be solid. If you guys want to trim above 6 or closer to 20, I'm okay with that too. You can manage how you see fit in general, but I'd like to see at least 1-to-1 on it. The 5-minute looks decent. Looks like we're going to break out. Trend is up. We got almost a 10-point move so far from that 05 entry. Hopefully we can get a move above this 16. Come on. Give us a push. Up almost 10 points here. So at about 1-to-1 at 10 points. I'm not trimming because the risk is so low. I want to see above 16. I'm going to take my plan stop, which is looking like it might happen. Now we're back down to break even. Or I'm going to catch that move above 16 and then hopefully to high a day. We're trying. Got 10 points out of it and then just stopped. My hard stop is at 95. Got 10 points out, so we're almost at 1-to-1. This didn't happen to work out. That 1-minute candle does not look great. We'll see. Come on. Give us a move up, baby. We held 500. Stops are at 95. Hard stops. So 10 points of risk. I think we go higher too, but, you know, I wasn't willing to trim on that first 10-point move up. Not enough risk reward. Stops are at 95. Got stopped out. Again, guys, 10 points. Traders got stopped out. If we sweep down and we get a move back up, I'm open if we get a 5-minute closure reentry, but I'm not holding. I got stopped out of that, guys. 10 points. 10 points. Which is fine. We went up 10. We were 1-to-1. Just couldn't get it. No dice. I still think we're going to go up. I mean, this chart looks like we're flagging here. Everything is looking like a move to the upside. I'm just not going to sit here and let it reverse on me. So if we get a strong close here, I'm open to trying again. We had such minimal risk on that trade. But I'm not in currently. Got 10 points up. Took my 10-point stop. If it swept that, I swear. I swear if they swept that and now they rip, I'm going to be so salty. This is 90.06. If we hold this 5-minute candle here, what's this volume look like? Lower volume. Gosh, this setup looks like it's going to go up, man. I'm telling you. We're getting back and forth, but it looks like it wants to go up. $480, $490. What do you think, Gene? Am I crazy for saying that?
I don't think you're crazy.
I think this fucker wants to go up, man. I'm telling you. One more try long. 10. adding to 500. If I lose and we go below 4, the final boss trade where I get off if I lose this is 4 below 490. I'm trying the longs one more time. If I lose, I'm done. It was just under $2,000 and I'll be done for the day. It's going to go up, man. I'm telling you. At least a high a day. I tried a small piece, guys. Medium piece. We're holding 500. We haven't had a close below 500 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. If I lose 490, I'm done for the day. I'm shutting it down. I'm finished for the day. No more trades. I'll be 0 for 3. One is a 10-point loss. This would be a 15, 16-point loss. So technically speaking, those combined count as one of my full-size losses, and I'm done. That or we get high a day and things are really good. We're holding this 500. A lot of this volume on this candle was a wick up. Hard stops are at 490. So only about 15 points of risk, 16 points of risk. Keeping it very managed. Every dog has their day. We'll see if this one ends up being mine. Final try. No more trades. If I lose 3 trades, even if they're all small, I'm done for the day. Always. 2 full-size losses or 3 losses of any kind. Hard stops are in at 490. Well, 489.75. Tesla's moving nice. We can get some volume from Tesla over to NQ. That'd be great. It's back around this just below break even, guys. Holding this 500 strong. If we flush below 490, I'm wrong on it, and I'm going to get off for the day. Only 15, 16 points of risk, though. So swear, if you stop me out, NQ, that'll be 40-plus points of loss today, man. It'll be no mames. Oh my gosh, guys, that's frustrating. That's annoying. I'm out of this trade. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm walking away. Lost 25 points over the last 2 trades. It's going to stop me out and it's going to rip. I'm getting out of here before I do anything stupid. So taking my max loss, and I'm going to get out of here for the day because it's going to go down. Liquidity sweep and rip up now. Watch. So what's going to happen. So I'm out of here, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Grizzly, I'm making you host, and I'm getting out because I'm going to do something dumb. It's going to sweep me and then rip up. And I need to follow my system and be done for the day. It's coming, guys. Watch it. Sweep and rip. No, I took 3 losses. One was 10 points. One was 15. One was 20 plus. So I'm done, even though they were small. Following the plan, I'm going to get some electrolytes in my system, and I'm going to go do some push-ups or something. I'll see you. Yep. Trading smart. Following my plan. I'm out of here, guys. We'll be back at it. Maybe power hour. Maybe we'll get on to say what's up. But I'm out of here, guys. Peace. Fudge. Grizzly's going to stay on if you're in Team Bull, but I'm out of here, guys. Sorry I couldn't get any dubs today. Shitty trading day. The last 2 were small, but still, I'm following my plan. I'm getting out of here. Yep. I'm being disciplined. I'm following my plan. Bye, everybody. Peace.